In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer your Apple Pay cash to your bank. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to make sure that your iPhone or iPad has the latest version of iOS or iPad OS and add an eligible debit card in the Wallet app. Now you want to make an instant transfer. So to do that, first go to your card info. So on iPhone, open the Wallet app. Now tap your Apple Cash card. Now tap the More button, then tap Transfer to Bank. On iPad, open the Settings app, tap Wallet and Apple Pay. Now tap your Apple Cash card, then tap Transfer to Bank. Now enter an amount and tap Next. Now tap Instant Transfer. So if you haven't added an eligible debit card, tap Add Card and follow the instructions on your screen to add a MasterCard or Visa debit card. Now tap Transfer, then tap this icon to select the debit card that you want to transfer funds to, and select the billing information for your chosen debit card. Now your funds should transfer within 30 minutes. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.